Begin the installation by taking your AP Systems microinverters, tools, and other equipment up to the roof. Leaving your microinverters in the box until they're on the roof and ready to be installed will protect the units from damage and improper handling. Don't carry your microinverter units around by the cables. Handle them only by the enclosure. On the outside of every individual box, you'll find the unit's serial number and UPC code on a small sticker. You'll use these numbers to input the unit numbers in your ECU. That's the Energy Communications Unit. If you do a large job and order a case of microinverter units, you'll also find the serial numbers for every unit in the lot on the outside of the large packaging. Using this information, you can inventory your microinverters quickly and easily using a hand scanner and store it in a file, or set up the array before you even leave for the job site.
Okay, let's unbox a YC500. On each YC500 microinverter unit, you'll find two DC-in cables to support two PV modules of up to 310 watts of 72 cell panels. The connectors are industry standard MC4 type for DC only. You'll also find the AC daisy chain connections and the ground clamp. You'll use this to connect the external ground cable to the unit. There are two sets of removable stickers on each microinverter. Once you have the microinverters placed, you will remove these stickers from the unit and place them on an installation map for future reference of the system layout. Your installation may also include an AP Systems Energy Communication Unit, or ECU. While it's optional, the ECU is an important component of an AP Systems microinverter array. Let's take a look at an ECU now.
Inside the ECU box, you'll find the unit itself, an integrated power cable, and pre-supplied Ethernet cable. This unit will be the information gateway for the PV array. The ECU includes a two-line top display for information and setup, and various ports on the side for power and connectivity. Remember that the ECU enclosure is not rated for outdoor exposure. If you should want to mount the ECU outside, remember to protect it with a NEMA 6 rated enclosure. For best results, it's best to site the ECU so that it has its own power supply, plugged into its own outlet, or hardwired straight into the breaker box. Full instructions for siting and installing the ECU can be found in another training video on our AP Systems YouTube channel.